Welcome to your chakra meditation. Let's begin by finding somewhere quiet and comfortable where you won't be disturbed. And when you're ready, close the eyes. And we'll start with some breath work to help us to ground and to connect to the body. And as you breathe, try to make your breath very quiet and very gentle so that the air is very softly coming in through the nostrils and out through the nostrils. So we'll start by breathing in for 7 counts and breathing out for 7 counts. 7 times. Breathing in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now bring your breath back to normal and focus on the sensations of your entire body. Just becoming aware of the feeling of your body at this present moment. And notice the connection between either the back of the body or the base of the spine, whether you're seated or lying down. Notice the connection between you and the surface beneath you. And see if you can let yourself just sink, soften, melt a little bit deeper into that surface. Maybe taking that deep breath in through the nose and letting it all go as you breathe out. Feeling that sense of softening on the inside of the body. And we're going to begin our chakra meditation. There are 7 chakras, beginning with the base of the spine and finishing all the way to the top of the head. I invite you to focus on either feeling the sensation of the chakra, or either you might be visualizing it if you are more visual, or you might just know it's there. We all have different ways of tuning inwards, so I invite you to explore the one that makes most sense to you. Let's begin our meditation by bringing our attention to the base of the spine. And as we bring our attention there, noticing, feeling, visualizing a spinning red disc. Noticing how that feels. Is it quick? Is it slow? Is it vibrant? Is it dull? Breathing into that space. Just noticing. This is our area of foundations, our basic needs being met. And now let's bring our attention to the middle of the pelvis, to the sacral chakra, which is orange, an orange spinning disc. And sending our breath into that area now. And noticing the health of this chakra. Which way is it spinning? Is it intense, or is there not much going on? This is our area of pleasure, of relationships, of creativity. Bringing your attention now to just below the navel, or the belly button I should say, a yellow spinning disc for the solar plexus. Noticing what you find here, what you feel, what you sense. This is our area of personal power and confidence. Breathing into this area. Bringing your attention now to the center of the chest, which is the heart center, the heart chakra. A green spinning disc. Noticing. Breathing into this area. Our place of compassion, self-compassion and love. Bringing your attention to the center of the neck, the throat, to the throat chakra. A blue spinning disc. Breathing into this space now. Observing what this appears to be like today. Bringing your attention to the center of the head, or around the forehead, to the third eye chakra. An indigo or purple color spinning disc. Our place of intuition, vision. Breathing into this space. Finally, bringing your attention to the top of the head, to the crown chakra, which beams out and spins around at the top of the head. A white light. This is our connection to that which is bigger than us, whether you call it the divine, whether you call it God or nature. To be able to know that there's more. To feel that sense of expansion. Breathing into this space, observing what you find here. What you feel, see, or know is here. And we're going to bring the focus back down through the chakras. So breathing now into the crown chakra with the intention to bring it into balance in whichever way for the highest and greatest good. Bringing your attention to the third eye in the middle of the head. Breathing into this, setting an intention for balance and harmony. Moving into the throat chakra, breathing here, soothing and balancing the throat chakra with your intention, with your breath. Bringing your attention to the center of the chest, to the heart chakra. Breathing into here, balancing the heart chakra, softening the edges, clearing the blockages. Bring your attention to the solar plexus, yellow, in the navel. Breathing into the solar plexus, activating and balancing it. Bring your attention to the sacral chakra, orange, in the middle of the pelvis. Breathing softness, balance and harmony into the sacral chakra. Bring your attention down to the root chakra, balancing this area with your breath, your intention. Feeling as we come to the root chakra now and releasing the focus of the chakras, imagining roots growing out and down through the body. Feeling that sense of anchoring and drawing down as we feel and see those roots moving down into the earth. As we exhale, grounding down, rooting in. And finally, imagining, visualizing, feeling a golden light surrounding the body. As we exhale, feeling that golden light expand outwards into the space around us. Feeling that sense of softness as well as support. And finally, asking to disconnect from anything not serving you today. Any discords, anything unhelpful, and that's not yours. Disconnecting from that now. And let's take 3 deep breaths to finish. Take a breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, let it all go. Breathing in to revitalize, breathing out to cleanse. And one more deep breath in, and hold the breath, squeeze the pelvic floor. and exhale through the mouth, relaxing everything. And then you can start to gently wiggle your fingers and toes as if for the first time, bringing yourself back into the room, back to your reality. And that brings us to the end of our meditation today. I hope this has been of some helpful, some benefit and some help to you today, and it has resonated. Please comment or like if you found it useful, and share your experiences as well. I'm always fascinated to know how other people experience these meditations. Finally, please do like and subscribe to the video so that you can stay up to date with the latest content, and I look forward to connecting with you at the next video. So thanks so much for joining. My name is Alice Bowmaker, and my website is alicebowmaker.com, where you can find out how to work with me one-to-one or join one of my workshops.